Bright, sunshiny day out. I'm in a great mood. I'm gonna go pick up my Traxxas Sand Car. Let's bring the mini Dom with us, shall we? Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio-controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio-controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Yay, my Funco arrived. Whoa, look at this thing. Fresh out the box. All still wrapped in plastic.
His brothers Slash kept breaking down on him, so he had me.
I mean, I have my Bandit.
These disc brakes look hot.
I mean, I like working on stuff.
Now this thing just looks sharp. This thing's sharper than Meryl Streep's nose. I'm gonna have to Oxidean this thing out. Traxxas really did it. This is a neat toy to show up to. I like when you flip it over. It looks great. Everything looks good underneath. This thing is Oxidean approved. Warm spring morning in the golden California sunshine. I got my mini Dom. The water's a bit fuzzy out there. It's a little bit windy. Let's take a look at the trees. Yeah, they're blowing. That's no challenge for me in the mini Dom. We got a mild 30mm prop on there. We're gonna have some fun.
On the scene, it's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine, yeah.
Now that was fun, just as we've come to expect from the Mini Dom. This thing is so rad, such a good time. I brought 3 batteries with me, and they seem to last pretty long, but let's make some hot little passes, huh? Are we gonna play Wiki Wiki again? Where'd you go? All right, now that was real fun. Now again, that was very nice. This is so nice. I just love being out here in the golden California sun. Well, I got you guys. I just want to rejoice in the fact that I never did even think about charging you guys tariffs. I don't need to. We don't need to. We've got our own factory. Most of our stuff is made here in the USA anyway, or built here. And I look at how all my competitors did that to you guys. They hit you guys with tariffs. My main one's out his page, just showing his true colors. Tried to scare you guys with tariffs. Then it's showing stuff from the National Retail Hobby Sales Association he's not even a member of. And then now that the blanket's been pulled off of him, he's trying to do a flash sale to try to redeem himself. That all reeks of destitute. You know, destitute and fly-by-nightism. We're the innovators here. We actually play with RC boats, so we don't have to scramble and do anything. You know what I mean? I have my own factory. We're not scrambling to do anything. You know what I mean? We're just on a nice, steady pace. And it's successful. We're steadily bringing you guys great boats, great service, great videos, full circle. And that's because the reason I have this company is because I'm fanatical about these boats. I absolutely love them. And if I haven't said it before in this video, I wanted to take a moment to tell you guys, I truly appreciate you guys watching these videos. I truly do. Like, my social media climb has been very difficult. When I started this business, I was greeted with a lot of hostility from people. You know what I mean? My main competitor himself. Like, he'll sell any boat or any part from any company. But for some reason, he didn't want to have anything to do with me. And I don't understand why. He's seen me grow up in the racing world. You know, he knows I know what I'm doing. You know why he did that? He's intimidated by me. You know, instead of trying to embrace my presence, he's trying to fight it. And that's going to be his worst nightmare, because just think how well he'd do if he'd have embraced our products. You know, and what do I care about that? I'm here for you guys. I'm here to make RC boating a lot better. Like all that dorky shit on Facebook and stuff, there's a better way. You know what I mean? And we're here to give it to you. We'll do some more playing with the Mini Dom on a different side of the lake. Well, I'll tell you what. It's kind of rough on this side of the lake, ladies and gentlemen. But you know what? I'm still going to run it. In fact, I think I should do it offshore style a little bit. Give you some slow motion shots of it hopping waves. Would you like that? I would. Now this is rough. We won't do too much of it.
Suddenly I'm up on top of the world. It should have been somebody else. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free. Flying away on a wing and a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. Just like the light of a new day, hit me from out of the blue, breaking me out of the spell I was in, making all of my wishes come true. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free, flying away on a wing and a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me.
Well, that there was a whole lot of fun, guys. Whole lot of fun in the sun. I just love running these RC boats. It's kind of a viewer appreciation moment, you know. Thanks again, guys, for even watching these videos. Thanks, especially those who buy boats. But even if you don't buy boats, if you just watch these videos, you're helping support my RC boat lifestyle because I really love these things. And when you guys support this company, you're supporting the sport itself because I put everything back into it because this is my passion. That's what I've done from the beginning. That's how we've grown so much from what we started as. We just grow and grow and grow because everything goes back into it and back into the sport, back into innovation and development. Just think, a few years ago, there were no minis in the USA. We brought the mini DOMs in and now people are having that much more fun. This isn't a time I want to pat myself on the back or anything like that. Like I said, I'm thanking you guys because without your support, I couldn't do this. You know what I mean? And I love you guys. That being said, if you like what you've seen today, which is real RC boating, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Mini Dom, over and out.